Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So cosine s squared plus sine s squared equals to number 1. So we have cosine s squared. That means we need to put this one go to the right. And we have cosine s squared equal to 1 minus sine s squared. So I will put this one go in here. Next, cotangent s multiplied by number 1 and sine s squared. So cotangent s, that is about cosine s over sine s. This one we simplified and we have cosine s sine s. This one we have cosine s over sine s. Next, I will put about number 2 over number 2 because we have the formula in here. And now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of sine s. The integration of this one, we have positive 1 over 4 cosine 2s. And I will put about c. Now let's go to the second one. So we have the formula in here. Sine s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So we have sine s squared. That means I will put cosine s squared go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. And now tan s will multiply by number 1 and cosine s squared. So tan s, that is about sine s over cosine s. This one we have sine s over cosine s. And now we simplify cosine s, cosine s. Now I will put number 2 over number 2. So we have the formula in here. 2 cosine s sine s equals to sine 2s. And now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine s. And the next one, that is about 1 over 4 cosine 2s. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.